is the 2021 Jamaican social media personality? Who is the 2021 Jamaican Person of the Year? We asked you and you responded. Here are the results. The Best of Jamaica 2021. We are almost at the end of revealing all our winners. Set 2, we have the Best Jamaican Social Media Personality, and we have the Best Jamaican Person of the Year, right? Those are 2 of the biggies. We asked everybody those questions from all cities and in Jamaica. Jody?
The best social media, you going to announce that because I know it's me, so.
Well, let's say the best social media personality that you voted for this year, 2021, it is a fruit.
Mm-hmm. As in a fruit.
A fruit. Julie Mango is our winner.
I really like her, though. I
You like
really
Julie
like
Mango?
her. So congratulations to Julie Mango.
Congratulations to Miss Julie Mango. And the best Jamaican personality of the year.
I just copying all the awards tonight. What's going on?
The
best person of the year went to, and this is no surprise and well-deserved, Elaine Thompson-Hera. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. You made Jamaica proud, and we are celebrating you tonight.
All right.